What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to take full freaking advantage of how nice it is outside. See, this is why I don't like to put my shit in the rain, because now I got surface rust here and I got to sand it back off. I don't freaking like it. Damn it. Shit, you know? Fucking the acidity in the rain fucks everything up. That's why I don't want to take this thing out in the rain until I freaking paint it, obviously. A couple videos ago you guys saw me put the skirts on. They're just mocked up right now, obviously, but things I have to do today, and things I will get done today. I will finish all the body work today. I will do my wheel bearing today, and I will do my springs today. So that means put the front springs in the back, and put the 14K springs from the Z in the front, and put the 4 or 6K springs in the rear of the Z, and that'll be better off for the Z anyway, because I'll have more grip. So, no more bullshit, let's get started. Alright, first things first, pop this freaking hood. Reject the car up, undo the strut towers, both of them will drop. And I'll be able to take the top hat off. I wish this wasn't aluminum because I could extend just those. I might just go and get stock top hats so I can extend those easier. Alright, so first thing you gotta do, take this bolt out. Well, I would say first thing first. It's a 14 right here. Be careful. If you're doing this and you haven't done it on your car yet, yeah, be careful because these snap sometimes. More on Civics than Preludes and Accords, but they do snap. So 14 right behind here, and then 17 right there. And once you get this out, this is what people shorten. They cut like an inch out of here, some bullshit like that, and shave over here so the coil can go lower. But I don't know. Maybe we do that. Maybe we won't. Not today though. Boom. Got the top hat here. That's how I know that I have the Flex Z coilovers, because if these had stock top hats, they'd be the base coilovers. Anyways, I'm gonna freaking take this bolt off. It looks like a 17 maybe. Alright, so here's the difference in that. So this is a 10K spring. As you can see, the coils are a little farther apart. They're a little bit less thick. This I can kind of move by hand, but not really. So this will be really good for the back. And this is a 14K spring. If anyone wants to tell me what those numbers mean, but that's the difference right there. That's what we're switching to. 14K front, 10K rear, as opposed to 10K front, 6K rear. Yeah. Okay, let's put this in now. By the way, just found out that even these have energy bushings, so that's cool. That's what that looks like now. I think it looks cooler. There we go. So there's that. Now I'm going to do the wheel bearing because the side's already in the air with the wheel off. So for wheel bearing, take off your axle nut, take off these two big 17s so that you can do this, and then hang that up over there. Take your rotor off. Lower ball joint bolt nut comes out. Upper ball joint bolt comes out, and you hit it with a hammer. That comes out. Tie rod. That comes out. Now before you can pull your axle out, you gotta get that bottom ball joint out. That's the hardest one to do. It's a bitch, it's hard to pull up on, blah 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 blah. This is how you do it. You take that out. There you go. Alright, you set it up like that, you freaking pop it right down in there, you know? Get right up in there. There we go, it's out. That part's out. Alright, now we gotta get the wheel bearing out. That's the hard part. You get one of these things, you come right here, see those two things right here? Boom, you squeeze it together, ring comes out. I dropped it, but yeah, that's how you do that. Now you can press it out. How do you do that, you ask? And for that, you're just gonna rig up some little scary Terry over here. And boom! There goes the bitch ass bearing. Right, now if this happens, right? See what I did before, because this bearing came apart and I tried to put it back together and it didn't work, and that's why I'm doing it again. Right there, I had to cut some slits. Now what you do for this shit, if this bullshit happens to you, because this is the worst one, alright? Here's my trick. You use that. Alright, now what we're going to do is clamp this shit. See, I have one mark here, one mark here, one mark here. Then I have this, which is a socket, which has a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. It's going to go right here. That's going to push on it, and it's going to pull this off. I'll show you how right now. Here, 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 blah, blah, blah. Tighten it down with a hose clamp. Piece of shit, no problem. There's a new bearing, and you get that on by just going right here and just... I'm just kidding. Don't make the same mistake as I did last time and push the bearing onto the hub. You push the bearing into the spindle first, or you won't be able to get the bearing in the hub because it goes in boom, vroom, vroom from the back, you know? And then press it from the back. That's how you get rid of your old bearing, put a new bearing in. Boom, everything is back on and tightened. All good and proper. All right, throw that wheel back on, take the other wheel off, do that. Go take the spring out of the other side of the Z. Here we go, here's the second one. Nope. No freaking problem. Boom, so wash that off. There we go, big old lime bitch. Gotta go into the Prelude. Boom. Well, come on. There we go, boom. Alright, so these springs are slightly shorter than the other ones, so let's see what the height is. Let's put the wheels back on. Gotta do the back now. Perfect. Yeah, I'm leaving it there. Sorry, guys. I may or may not have just dumped the coils. Fuck it, like whatever. I'll make extended top hats later, you know. All right. Well, I'll take that. So now I just need to make extended top hats, and most likely gonna have to go get some steel ones, some stock ones from the junkyard, because these, I don't know how to weld aluminum. I know Ronnie does, but I don't think I nor him have like a 2-inch diameter just aluminum pipe that we can raise up to like here, because I basically want to like extend it like probably 2 inches. And basically what that'll do is pull up the strut so that I have all the strut travel, you know. The springs aren't going to compress, but having all the strut travel is very nice. But I do have 3/4 of the strut travel right now, so I should be good. I should be alright. I really like the way that looks. No, it's not as crazy as my old friggin' Prelude, but I'll take that. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted it just to cover, like I wanted to see a little tire, you know what I mean? And that's pretty proper fitment, alright? I don't want to hear shit from you guys. Look at that. Boom. On the money. As always, Stance Boy's back. We out here. Oh, looks so freaking good. Alright, so here's the front and rear spring comparison. So, as you can see, the front spring is slightly wider and also thicker than the rear spring. Now, the rear spring, let me just give you, alright, so Team B0031, so I don't know. Alright, I'm just going to give you a visual test. Alright, same weight. Same weight. There you go. 6K versus 10K. 6K, 10K. 10K goes inside now. Alright, there we go. So that definitely confirms it. Alright. I don't mind keeping these now. I thought I had the basic teen coilovers. These are the flex coilovers, you know what I mean? So like, it's, you know what I mean? It's like same price as BCs. So like, you know, it's, you feel me? It's, see right there? It should say Prelude. Caution, probably says caution, not for on-road use. Fun fact, bags aren't legal either, guys. And bam, darkness, there we go. Alright, spring's on there. We're meant. Let's freaking put the wheel on this bad boy and get to working on this dookie. Quick drop. What are we looking like? That's good. That's good. See, now this isn't overhanging so much, so I can just put a spacer on it and it'll look good. Alright, I didn't film that because it was painful for even me to watch, but I have reshaped the fenders to match the wheels. I am going to be putting an 8mm slip-on spacer on here. I'm not going any bigger because I have two 15s on here. I can't freaking clear the bumper. Yeah, so basically, if you come over here and look, like from the front, we're almost dead even with the quarter. So same with this side. We're on a hill, by the way, so you know, excuse the difference. This is obviously going to be a little higher because, like I said, we're on an embankment, but got the line pretty damn good. And yeah, so now just throw some filler on that. Still using this here. So I don't have a hell of a lot left, but I definitely have enough to do this and that side. So I'm gonna do filler on here, there, and one more freaking coat right there, and just finish sanding the back bumper. That looks much better. It is way closer to the wheel. So now some slip-on hub-centric 8mm. Hub-centric is key if you're using slip-on. 8mm spacers, and I'll be more than happy with the rear fitment. Alright, well, I just freaking swept and, you know, like freaking used the air gun and everything in Ronnie's shop, and, you know, de-dusted it, well, dusted, whatever the hell you want to call it. I got rid of the freaking dust and swept up his floor. He's been busting his ass the last couple days. Let me pull it in here so I can show you guys, because it's easier pulling it in Ronnie's bay than my bay. Before I even let you glance upon the vehicle, I just want to say I busted fucking ass today all day, and I got everything that I said I wanted to get done in the beginning of the video done. Alright? I'm tired. I'm bugging out. I was bugging out all day, but I got shit done. Right? Boom. So there that is. Lowered to where I want it. I do have to extend the top hats because I don't want the freaking thing bouncing up and down on the spring, because you'll hear that. What I'm saying is I lowered the spring coil as well, but if I extend the top hat, it'll pull the strut up, so it'll pull the spring tight, and I'll be good. Other than that, it's not gonna go too well. But anyways, yeah, shut up, falling cardboard guy. Anyways, the front fitment is perfect, the rear fitment perfect. Besides, obviously in the rear I'm going to put 8mm spacer, but you guys can see right now, even just standing right here, that is a lot better than it was when it had the freaking, the extra flare fenders. But almost done with the freaking bodywork on this. I'm too damn tired to finish it completely tonight, but I did a lot today, got a lot of shit done, so I'm more than happy with the progress of that. Wheel bearings changed. I got to finish tightening up the axle. But yeah, that's good. Springs. So basically have to do full suspension. You know, at least I'm well versed in it because I've done it a lot in my other one. But yeah, got both sides good. I gotta put the bumper back over there. There we go. That's it, guys. That's it. Give me a week and this thing will be painted. All right. I said that already, but you know, unexpected things happen, and sometimes everything doesn't go the way I want it to. But if everything goes my way and I have it how I want it, this thing will be like painted, running, and registered, tuned, all that shit 2 weeks before H2O. So I'll be good. All right. So, well, actually no, 3 weeks before H2O. Hopefully. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I forgot the damn thing again. I'll do it the next time I film. Peace out.